Hello, fellow loaders and future loaders. It is I again, Mel Vinegar from League of Ancients. Hope you guys are having an amazing time. And today, we're going to be teaching you a step-by-step process on how you could buy or trade LOA tokens on PancakeSwap. So let's not waste any more of your precious time and let's jump straight into it. So head over to PancakeSwap and fire up your website and head over to Connect Wallet and connect it with MetaMask. It popped out, press next and then connect. There you go, you're connected. So head over to trade and it'll pop out this exchange over here. And your default token would actually be BNB, but we personally recommend you changing it to BUSD instead. And then head over to Cake over here, press this, and search up LOA. As you can see, LOA cannot be found. Don't worry about it. So what you can do is head over to our League of Ancients website, head over to the bottom here, white paper, and scroll all the way down to tokenomics and click on token. And you can see here, this is our contract address. Press it and it'll bring you to the BSC scan. Copy the address, head back over to PancakeSwap and just paste in our address. And there you go, League of Ancients. So you import it, and yes, you understand everything, and import. And there you go, LOA is officially in your exchange. So we're gonna be getting 100 LOA tokens because in my wallet I already have 100 in it. And then what you wanna do now is enable BUSD and then confirm. There you go, confirm transaction and transaction receipt. This is your receipt right here, you can press it and it'll bring you back to the BSC scan, and this is your proof of your receipt. Then head back over, and then what you want to do now is swap it and confirm swap. So now you gotta sign the wallet again and confirm, and your transaction is submitted, and now we just wait.
12 seconds later.
And then confirm transaction, and your transaction receipt is here. And this will be your transaction receipt, and head back over. And now what you want to do is head over to your MetaMask and check whether it's in your wallet. So head over to assets, and as you can see, I already have 100 LOA tokens before this, and now I have 200 in total. And it's as easy as that. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up in this video down below and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming updates about the League of Ancients process and more tutorial video coming real soon. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you real soon.